In today's fast paced world, keeping track of ideas, tasks, and important information has become more crucial than ever. Whether you're a student managing lecture notes, a professional organizing projects, or someone who just loves to jot down creative thoughts, a reliable note taking app can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. However, with so many options available, finding the right tool for your specific needs can be challenging. In 2025, note taking apps have evolved beyond simple text storage to include features like cloud syncing, collaborative editing, advanced organization, and even knowledge mapping. Each app comes with unique strengths, catering to different types of users. In this guide, we'll dive deep into five of the best note taking apps of 2025, which is Evernote, Google Keep, Simplenote, Obsidian, and Notion. We'll break down their standout features, benefits, and why they might be the perfect choice for your personal or professional needs. Let's explore which one aligns best with your workflow and priorities. So, first, let's talk about Evernote. Evernote has been a leader in the note taking space for years. It offers powerful organization tools, making it a great option for professionals and students who need a structured way to manage their notes. So, for its key features, first, it has the advanced search and organization. Evernote supports notebooks, tags, and a powerful search function that even scans handwritten notes. This easily find notes no matter how many you have. Another key feature is its multi-device syncing. So you can access your notes seamlessly across desktop, mobile, and web with real-time synchronization. This always have your notes available no matter which device you're using. So Evernote is ideal for users who need a highly organized and feature-rich note-taking system. It excels in professional use cases where categorization, search, and multimedia support are essential. Next, let's talk about Google Keep. Google Keep is a simple and lightweight note taking app designed for quick notes, lists, and reminders. It's great for users looking for a straightforward way to capture ideas without complex organization. For its key features and benefits, first is its quick and easy note taking. Google Keep allows you to instantly jot down ideas, create checklists, and add voice memos. This is ideal for capturing thoughts on the go with minimal effort. Another key feature is the Google integration. It works seamlessly with Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Assistant, making it easy to share notes across platforms. This is perfect for users already within the Google ecosystem. So, Google Keep is great for those who prioritize simplicity and speed over deep organization. If you want a fast and no frills note taking experience, it's a solid pick. Next, let's talk about Simplenote. Simplenote lives up to its name by offering a minimalist and distraction free note taking experience. It's lightweight, making it great for users who prefer plain text notes without complex features. For its key features, first is the instant cloud syncing. Notes automatically sync across all devices without any manual effort. This will always have the latest version of your notes available. Another key feature is the Markdown support. It allows for simple text formatting using Markdown, making it a great option for writers and coders. This helps users format text easily without using complex tools. So if you want a lightweight, distraction-free, and fast note-taking experience, Simplenote is perfect. It's great for writers, developers, and minimalists who don't need extra features. Next is Obsidian. Obsidian is a powerful markdown based note taking tool focused on knowledge management. It's designed for users who want to create interconnected ideas and organize information in a non-linear way. For its key features and benefits, first is the local storage and privacy. Unlike cloud-based apps, Obsidian stores notes locally in your device, giving you full control over your data. This is excellent for users who prioritize privacy and security. Another key feature is the graph view and bidirectional linking. Obsidian allows users to connect notes visually, creating a knowledge graph of linked ideas. This is great for researchers, students, and deep thinkers who want to build a structured network of knowledge. So, if you prefer knowledge mapping, deep organization, and privacy, Obsidian is a top pick. It's perfect for students, researchers, and professionals who work with large amounts of information. Next is we have Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and database organization. It's one of the most powerful and flexible apps for both individuals and teams. For its key features, first is its customizable pages with databases. Notion allows users to combine text, images, tables, and even Kanban boards into a single workspace. This provides endless flexibility for organizing projects and knowledge. Another feature is the collaboration and team integration. Users can share pages, collaborate in real time, and assign tasks, making it great for team workflows. This is ideal for both individuals and teams looking for a comprehensive organizational tool. So basically, Notion is perfect if you need a highly customizable note taking and productivity tool. It's great for project management, research, and collaborative workspaces. So basically, choosing the best note taking app depends on your specific needs. So each app serves a different purpose, so you pick the one that aligns with your workflow and preferences. Whether you need simplicity, structure, or flexibility, there's a perfect note taking app for you. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.